Earnings season started off with a bang, and it's going to end up with one too, as we have a couple prominent names reporting this week right here at the end of this earnings season. And let's jump right in and see who they are. First one is one that you probably thought already reported, Square. So this is Jack Dorsey's other child after Twitter, of course. And this one has a better chart, obviously, than Twitter. They've had those two misses early on, right after they went public in 2015. And then it's been smooth sailing ever since. Not so much for the shares as those have soared, but you got a little bit of pullback going into 2018, and it's a little bit choppier here. So a lot of people will be tuning in on this one. It's a big blockchain play, so Square is where it's at. Then we're going to get Oprah's company here, Weight Watchers. Now, this has been a hot one for a couple quarters now, and it's been reporting really good numbers outside of its normal hot weight loss season, which is always in January. But this report is going to go cover heading into the holiday season. I'm expecting another good report from them. This is a hot stock in a hot area, the weight loss wellness area, and especially their turn to focus on the wellness side. So this is another one you might want to keep on your list. And then we're going to return back to tech with the next company, Salesforce. I think I talk about this one almost every quarter, because why not? It hasn't missed since 2014, where our data starts right there. So great track record, shares are soaring. This is one that definitely will be on everybody's radar this week. And then I'm going to go back with an oldie but goodie, Crocs. Yeah, I know you haven't really been paying attention to this one, but it looks like those shares definitely bottomed out in 2017. You could have got them pretty cheap there. It's put together 3 big beats in a row, and in case you didn't know, Crocs are back in style. The original Crocs shoes for men, actually. So all you guys out there, you might want to be checking out the Crocs styles coming up for the spring and summer. And then we're going to switch over to the restaurants. This isn't like a name that's real well known, but I like it. Habit Restaurants. This is the Habit Burger. They are coming off a big miss last quarter, but as you can see, this is kind of what happened with most of these restaurant stocks that went public in 2013, 2014. Remember, there was a rash of them. Habit was one of those. Started off real hot. There was like the burger stocks were where it was at, and now not so much, but it could become a value here for you value investors. So I'm going to be watching this one along with everything else that's going on this week. So these are just a few of the top names, but I picked out the hottest ones, or ones that are in sectors I think you should be watching. So you're going to want to tune into these. I'm going to have a little bit more this week on the retailers, because we're still getting a lot of retail stocks here at the very end of the earnings season, and that's always an interesting area to watch. So be sure to tune in for that, and of course all of our earnings coverage here on Zacks.com.